Hello everyone, my name is Vaishali Ghanwat and today's my non-technical topic is the city versus village. Certainly the comparison between the city and village life covers various aspects, including lifestyles, in infrastructure, social environment, and opportunities. First, we will see the lifestyle of city life. The pace of life. Cities are often bustling with activity, and the pace of life is generally fast with the people constantly on the move. Next, the convenience. The cities after wide range of the conveniences such as shopping malls, restaurants, cinemas, and other entertainment for facilities. Next, the work environment, which including the employment opportunities are more diverse and abundant. Many people work in offices, industries, or the businesses. Next, the living spaces, which is the housing in cities ranges from high rise apartments to suburban homes. Space can be limited and expensive, including. Next, the village life, the pace of life, which is including the villages typically have a slower pace of life. People often have more time to relax and engage in the community activities. Next, the natural environment, which including the villages are usually surrounded by nature with cleaner air and the less pollution. Work environment, including the employment, is often centered around agriculture, local business, or crafts. Jobs are fewer, but often involve outdoor and the manual labor. Next, the living spaces, including housing is usually more spacious. People often live in houses with a yards and the gardens. Next, the infrastructure of city. Transportation, including the cities have well developed transportation system, including buses, subways, trains, and taxis. Traffic can be heavy and the stressful. Heat care, which is including cities where advanced healthcare and facilities, including the hospitals, clinicals, and the specialized medical. Next, the education, including there are more educational institutions, including schools, colleges, and the universities, offering a wide variety of programs and courses. Next, the utilities. Cities typically have reliable electricity, water supply, and the internet connectivity. Next, the village transportation, including the consist of the village have many limited public transportation. People often rely on personal vehicles, bicycles, or the walking. um, Next, the healthcare, including the facilities can limited with smaller clinics or health posts. Serious cases often require travel to nearby towns or the cities. Education consists in schools in villages may be fewer and less equipped, and higher education often requires moving to a city. Next, the utilities, including the access the utilities, and can be less reliable with the occasional shortages of water and the electricity, and limited internet connectivity. Third one, the social environment, the city of social environment, which is diversity. Cities are melting pots or of a cultures, ethnology, and languages. This diversity can lead to a vibrant cultural scenes, but also to social challenges. Any Anonymity, which is including the large population, often means more anonymity and with less sense of community. Social interaction can be more superficial. Opportunities, including there are more opportunities for socializing, such as clubs, events, and the gatherings, but relationships may be more transient. Village, including the community which occur. The villages often have tight communities, where everyone knows each other. and there is a strong sense of the belonging and the support. Tradition in villages may be more traditional with the customs and the practice being passed down through the generation. The social activities including the social life revolves around community events, festivals and the gatherings, fostering close relationships. Fourth one is the opportunities in city. Career opportunities, including cities offer more diverse job opportunities and across various sectors. Professional growth and the networking are more feasible. The cultural exposure, including exposures are arts, culture and the new ideas, is higher with access to museums, theaters, concerts and the exhibitions. Education and skills, which is the access to better education and skill development opportunities, including professional courses and the workshops. Villages, including the entrepreneurships, villages are opportunities in agriculture, local crafts and the tourism. Small scale entrepreneurship can thrive. Quality of life, which is the quality of life can be higher in terms of physical well-being due to less stress and a cleaner environment. Next, the sustainable living, villages often promote sustainable living with organic farming, use of local resources and community driven initiatives. Next, the challenges. Fifth one is the challenges. City challenges. The cost of living is generally higher in cities with expensive housing, transportation and the daily expenses. Next, the pollution and noise. Higher levels of pollution, noise and the traffic congestion can impact health and the well-being. Stress, the fast pace and competitive environment can lead to higher stress level. Then the villages, limited services in village available. Limited access to healthcare, education and the other essential services can be challenging. Economic opportunities, including the favor job opportunities and the lower wages can limit economic growth. Next, the isolation, physical and social isolation can be an issue, especially for younger people seeking more dynamic lifestyles. So the both city and the village life have their unique advantages and the challenges. Cities offer convenience and diverse opportunities and a fast-paced lifestyle, while villages provides a closer connection to the nature, community, and the slower, often more fulfilling pace of life. Thank you.